Hi, it's Kim here, and in this video I'll show you how I made this pumpkin cushion. I'll leave a list in the description of what you'll need to make the cushion. So I have my two 10-inch circles cut from fabric and a 9-inch circle cut from Embroidery foam stabiliser. So choose which fabric you want to be the front of the cushion and glue the bosal to the back of that piece. I've used 505 spray to glue mine on. If your bosal is single-sided fusible, then you can iron yours on the back. So I'm just going to spray and stick all the way around. And then I'm going to draw with a heat erasable pen curved line on the front of the cushion to represent the pumpkin shape. So I've drawn one straight down the middle and then curves to each side of that one middle line. Then you want to machine sew over these lines. This will give the cushion a slight 3D effect. Now place your back piece of fabric on top right sides together, and we're going to sew around the entire edge of this circle, leaving a small gap so we can turn it out. And once that's done, you want to turn the cushion right side out. Use toy filler to stuff your cushion. Once your cushion is stuffed, hand sew the opening closed. To create the sunken in look, use embroidery thread and a dull needle. Push the needle through the base of the cushion and out the top, and then go back down again through a new hole back down to the bottom. Use the two loose ends to cinch in the cushion by pulling tightly and tying in a knot. Tie a few knots just so you know your thread will be secure. Now I've taken a twig from the garden and I'm going to use that as the pumpkin stem. So with a hot glue gun, I'm just going to glue that into the top of the cushion. I also wanted to use some leaves, so I just used some fake leaves and I'm going to glue those to the top of the cushion as well. This does make it look a little bit like an apple, but we're going to go with pumpkin. And that's the cushion finished. Really quick and easy to make, and I think it would look really cute just on a chair or on a windowsill as decoration over the autumn season. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.